Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for a powerful lightweight vacuum that doesn't break the bank? Today we're checking out the Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner, model NEN 110A, the perfect solution for carpets, hard floors, and everything in between. Innovative multi-surface vacuum. Deep clean with Eureka WhirlWind Canister Vacuum, which features an integrated airflow control on the handle that can be easily switched at your fingertips. Suitable for carpet, upholstery, and hard floors. 960 watts, lightweight and easy to maneuver. Eureka WhirlWind Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner weighs only 8.15 pounds. It can easily maneuver under and around furniture and stairs thanks to its swivel steering and telescoping metal little wand, 2.5-liter dust container, no maintenance costs, no bags or filters required. The WhirlWind has a bagless design and uses washable filters. Rinse the filters as needed and you're ready to go. 2-in-1 integrated crevice tool. Eureka WhirlWind features a crevice tool integrated into the hose handle. It's at your fingertips whenever you need and will never get lost. Easily disconnect the handle from the hose and switch between a crevice tool and a dusting brush. Easy to use. Spend more time cleaning and less time struggling with your vacuum cleaner. The Eureka WhirlWind has automatic cord rewind, saving your valuable time. The WhirlWind has a one-button release for easy dust cup emptying. Check out the link in the description below for the latest price and deals on the Eureka WhirlWind. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Subscribe button, next video suggestions, Amazon affiliate link reminder. Would you like a shorter version for YouTube Shorts or Amazon influencer-style vertical videos?